We have Daniel on the 2017 Vauxhall Viva. What are you doing on this one, Dan?
Condenser.
New condenser. And what we've done is, we've put the dye in it, ultraviolet dye. And it's leaking from the bottom of the airlock. Hang on, watch out, Dan, a sec. Sorry, mate. You can just see it there, look. It's all leaking out the bottom. So we're putting a brand new unit on it. Daniel's got his health and safety head on. No ramp available. Look at that, straight out, Dan. Well done, lad. So he's got his stands under it. I hope he has under this one. Yeah, axle stands under it. Bumpers off, obviously, over there. So yeah, we'll update you soon. In fact, you can see all this wasn't missing before. Or falling out even. Yeah, so I'll speak to you soon.